Frugal living tips, ways to cut excess cost out of our lives. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of frugal living, exploring the top 15 tips to cut excess costs out of our lives and embrace a more intentional and budget-friendly lifestyle. In this video, we'll uncover practical strategies and ingenious hacks to help you save money without sacrificing quality or enjoyment. From simple changes in daily habits to creative ways to stretch your dollars, get ready to transform your financial outlook and achieve greater financial freedom. Number 1. Mastering the art of meal planning. Our first frugal living tip revolves around the power of meal planning. By organizing your meals in advance, you can save significant amounts of money on groceries, reduce food waste, and make healthier choices. By planning your meals in advance, you can avoid expensive takeout and impulse grocery purchases. Plus, it's a great way to get creative in the kitchen. Number 2. Embracing DIY and repurposing. Why buy when you can DIY? Our second tip encourages you to tap into your creative side and explore the world of do-it-yourself projects and repurposing. Embrace your inner enthusiast and transform old items into something new and useful. Not only is it environmentally friendly, but it's also a fantastic way to save money. Number 3. Cultivating a thrift shop mentality. One person's trash is another person's treasure. Our third frugal living tip encourages you to embrace the wonders of thrift shopping. Thrifting is a treasure hunt for the frugal-minded. Cultivate a thrift shop mentality and discover incredible deals on clothes, furniture, and more. You'll be amazed at the hidden gems you can find, all while keeping your wallet happy. Discover the thrill of finding unique clothing, furniture, and household items at a fraction of the price. Number 4. Navigating the world of couponing. Prepare to unlock the secret world of couponing, where savings and excitement collide. Our fourth tip delves into the art of strategic couponing, allowing you to slash your grocery bills, enjoy discounted shopping experiences, and even explore exclusive perks and rewards. Couponing isn't just for extreme savers. It's a fantastic way to save money on everyday items. By learning how to navigate the world of couponing, you can slash your grocery bills and even enjoy some guilt-free splurges every now and then. Number 5. Maximizing energy efficiency. Saving money while reducing your carbon footprint. It's possible. Our fifth frugal living tip focuses on energy efficiency. Discover how simple changes in your daily routines and household appliances can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Save money and help the environment by maximizing your energy efficiency. Simple steps like switching to LED bulbs, unplugging electronics when not in use, and properly insulating your home can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Number 6. Prioritizing experiences over materialism. In a world obsessed with material possessions, our sixth tip reminds us of the true value of experiences over things. We'll dive into the concept of mindful spending, encouraging you to prioritize experiences, create lasting memories, and embrace a minimalist approach to possessions. Instead of spending money on things that won't bring lasting happiness, invest in experiences and create lifelong memories. It's a win-win for your wallet and your well-being. Number 7. Negotiating and smart shopping. It's time to unleash your inner negotiator and become a savvy shopper. Our seventh frugal living tip empowers you to take charge of your purchases and seek out the best deals. Don't be afraid to negotiate and become a smart shopper. Whether it's haggling for a better price, comparing prices online, or using cashback apps, these simple techniques can help you save money and get the best deals. Number 8. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Our eighth tip introduces the liberating world of minimalism. Discover the power of decluttering, letting go of unnecessary possessions, and embracing a life of simplicity. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle not only saves you money, but also reduces clutter and increases your overall happiness. Start by decluttering your home and letting go of things you no longer need. Number 9. Financial mindfulness and goal setting. Achieving financial success requires a mindful and goal-oriented approach. In our 9th Frugal Living tip, we explore the importance of financial mindfulness and goal setting. We'll guide you through the process of creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and setting achievable financial milestones. Set clear financial goals and create a budget that aligns with your values. By tracking your expenses and prioritizing your spending, you'll have better control over your finances and achieve your goals faster. Number 10. Building a supportive frugal community. Last but certainly not least, our 10th tip emphasizes the power of community in your frugal living journey. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for saving money can be incredibly motivating and uplifting. Building a supportive frugal community provides accountability, inspiration, and a wealth of knowledge. Together, you can exchange tips, tricks, and even host frugal events. Number 11. Embracing secondhand shopping. Let's dive into the world of secondhand shopping, our 11th Frugal Living tip. Instead of always buying brand new, consider exploring thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces. You'll be amazed at the quality items you can find at significantly reduced prices. From clothing and furniture to electronics and household goods, secondhand shopping is not only a budget-friendly choice, but also a sustainable way to reduce waste and give pre-loved items a new life. Number 12. Meal prepping and batch cooking. Say goodbye to impulse dining and hello to the power of meal prepping and batch cooking. Our 12th tip focuses on planning and preparing your meals in advance. By dedicating a specific time to cook in bulk and portioning out your meals, you'll not only save money on takeout and restaurant expenses, but also eliminate the stress of figuring out what to eat each day. Number 13. Utilizing library and online resources. Knowledge is power, and your local library is a goldmine waiting to be explored. Our 13th tip encourages you to make use of library resources, from books and magazines to DVDs and digital materials. Did you know that libraries are a treasure trove of free resources? From books and magazines to movies and online courses, libraries offer endless opportunities for learning and entertainment without spending a dime. Instead of purchasing new books or subscribing to expensive streaming services, borrowing from the library can save you a substantial amount of money while still giving you access to a vast range of entertainment and educational content. Number 14. Home repairs and maintenance. Why hire someone when you can unleash your inner handy person? Our 14th Frugal Living tip empowers you to tackle home repairs and maintenance tasks on your own. From minor fixes and renovations to routine maintenance, learning basic DIY skills can save you a fortune in contractor fees. Learn basic skills like fixing leaky faucets, painting walls, or even installing your own shelving. Not only will you save money, but you'll also gain a sense of accomplishment. Number 15. Embracing free and low-cost entertainment. Who says entertainment has to be expensive? Our 15th and final tip is all about embracing free and low-cost entertainment options. Whether it's exploring local parks, organizing picnics, enjoying community events, or tapping into the world of free online content and streaming services, there are countless ways to have fun without breaking the bank. Attend local events, explore nature parks, host game nights with friends, or enjoy a movie night at home. The possibilities are endless. Remember, frugal living is not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and long-term goals. So, go forth, save money, and live your best frugal life. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Share your own frugal living tips and success stories in the comments below.